new class. So yesterday we didn't see about a tree set. We are going to start actual class from today. For today, right? A tree set, again, it is an implementation of another class of set, another class which is implementing a set interface. So when we have a linked hash set and hash set, why do we have a tree hash set is the point. So tree set is the point. Tree set contains again unique elements because it is the behavior of set, which is implementing the set interface. Tree set class access are quite fast. Okay, doesn't allow null elements, and you want to maintain a ascending order. So the last point is the one why we will go for a tree set. So I want to put an ascending order of a set. I want the data in ascending order. So then I will go to a tree set. So we will see an example. I think we saw an example yesterday, right? We will go to an example. So did we see an example today? Yeah, right. Okay, we have written already. So if you see, we are going with the names. So what is the like we had discussed already? We are having a iterator. Okay, we are having a iterator. So through iterator, I can iterate the data. So normally we were iterating through a for loop. The same we are iterating through iterator. Iterator is also a interface. It is a root interface, as I told you. So and in iterator, we have only forward iterator. We can't go backward. We can't go backward. So in order to go to backward, what kind of iterator we need to use? List iterator. Okay. So now if you see this data, so we have so what is our here? It is giving you in a descending order. It is giving you in a descending order. So if you see here, right, it's giving you in a descending order because we have added a descending iterator. Okay, so now normally what we will do, this is the use it for a descending iterator, right? Now what we will do, we will loop it with through a normal loop. As per the definition, it will give you in a ascending order. As per the definition, it will give you in a ascending order, right? So string s colon is a set this out. So now what we will do, so we are going to run the program once again, which will show you both through iterator we are defining a. So if you see through iterator we are doing a descending order. So from iterator we can get a descending order also. So whereas if you use only a set, what we can do a tree set, we will get a ascending order. So even if you want to do an iterator over a list also, it is possible. So now you can try on your own, okay, using the iterator interface. So from here we are able to prove that what we have done. So now if you see here, why the tree set is giving you sorted order is because if you see in the screen, if you see in the screen here in the pictorial representation of a tree set extends sorted set. Okay, so a tree set implements a navigable set, which is an interface again, which is not known to many people, and inside it is extending a sorted set. So that's why whenever you are inserting the data itself, it will sort and keep. So whenever you print the data, it will give you in ascending order. In order to go for a descending order, we will go to a iterator. Okay, so whenever you are inserting the data, it will sort and keep it. It will sort and keep it like so. Rather than so now, if we go and see the differences between a linked hash set and tree set. So we know hash set contains unique elements, but doesn't guarantee what. So rather than this slide, we can discuss with our own, like what is when compared to linked hash set and reset, hash set performance is better, but when you want some business to be done, we should go to linked hash set and reset. Okay. So now null elements, one null element will be allowed. So now one null element was allowed in hash set. So here also one null element will be allowed. In reset, no null element will be allowed. Okay. So when you say memory management, so memory occupation, hash set requires less memory when compared to other things. And tree set internally uses hash map only. Okay, hash map. I will show you what is the hash map and how it is working also. I'll tell you. So now, in general, we want to discuss is every other hash set contains a unique elements and doesn't maintain insertion order. If I want to insertion order, I want to maintain, I will go to a linked hash set. In insertion order, rather than insertion order, I want to maintain a sorted order. I want a sorted order of a set data, then I will go to a tree set. So you need to choose your collection before writing any program.
That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.